Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Pant and I hope you're doing very fine at your home. So I'm back again with another video of 10 to 15 minutes, hardly I think it should take. And oxyacid of phosphorus, I will tell you the trick of writing the structure. This trick will help you not only to write the structure but also to find the valency factor, because once you know the structure you can find the valency factor of the oxyacids also by just checking the replaceable hydrogen atom present over there, H plus present over there. Number 2, reducing hydrogen questions come from here. Number 3, oxidation state calculation questions also come from here. So extremely important concept, very small, very subtly it will get over. So let's start immediately. So now oxyacid of phosphorus, how to draw the structure? Firstly, let's see the formulas. One is H3PO2. We call it hypophosphorus acid. OUS we should say. H3PO2. Next is H3PO3. This is phosphorus acid. And the third is H3PO4 and we call it phosphoric acid. So I think the name should be clear. Hypo-OS, lowest oxidation state. Little higher, one higher you go, that means +3 you go, you will get OS, and highest of phosphorus is +5, that is ic acid. So highest ic, just one lower is OS, one more lower is hypo-OS. So hypophosphorus, phosphorus and phosphoric acid, these three names are very important. Now, how to draw the structure? Dekho bhai, rule is very simple, trick is very simple here. Trick is, you should have one double bond O, one P double bond O compulsory, minimum. Minimum one P double bond O should be there. That means if phosphorus atom is there, it should have one oxygen double bonded to it. Next, attach rest O with P with one bond each. And third, give H to single bonded oxygen first. Then to central atom. Khatam. These three things you will follow, you will get the structures of these three compounds. We will see the structure of remaining compounds also of phosphorus. All the oxyacid we will see. These are the initial three. Lallu 3 we can say. These acids are called ortho acid. Single phosphorus atom, we call them ortho acids. These are also known as ortho acids of phosphorus. Ortho means which are containing a single phosphorus atom right now and which are made when you dissolve any oxide of phosphorus in water. Let us check. H3PO2, so you will write P. H3PO3 you will write P again. H3PO4 also you will write one P. Great. Double bond O is compulsory भैया. Double bond O compulsory, double bond O compulsory. बहुत बढ़िया. How many oxygen left? There were 2 oxygen atom. One came as double bond O. So one left, give single bond O. 3 oxygen atom. One came as double bond O. 2 came as single bond O. 4 oxygen atom. One came as double bond O. 3 came as single bond O. So one double bond O compulsory, rest all will come as single bond O. Now hydrogen, how many are there? 3. Firstly, give the hydrogen to the single bonded oxygen. So bhaiya, given. How many left? Out of 3, 1 used, 2 left to give to the central atom. Here again 3 hydrogens, so 1, 2 and third hydrogen given to the central atom. Here 3 hydrogen, all 3 will be going to oxygen, nothing comes to the central atom. Now, this kind of hydrogen is called as acidic hydrogen. See how quickly and how simply it is getting over here. This is called acidic hydrogen. So bhaiya, this is also known as replaceable H plus, acidic hydrogen. Hydrogen connected to the oxygen is called the acidic hydrogen. Hydrogen connected to the oxygen is called the acidic hydrogen. These two directly connected to the central atom are called reducing hydrogen. So they will ask you कि H3PO2 is a reducing agent, yes or no? बिल्कुल yes. Why? Due to 2 reducing hydrogens. These are the 2 reducing hydrogens. Next, H3PO3. Again, there are 2 acidic hydrogens. 2 acidic hydrogens. ठीक है भैया? Then 1 is the reducing hydrogen here. So it is a reducing agent? Yes. Better than H3PO2 or worse? Obviously worse. Why? H3PO2 had 2 reducing hydrogen. H3PO3 has 1 reducing hydrogen only. Now, who has more acidic hydrogen? 1 it has, 2 it has. So his valency factor is 1 as an acid, if it is behaving like an acid, valency factor 1. If he is behaving like an acid, his valency factor is 2. Why? Valency factor for acid means replaceable H plus. Replaceable H plus means acidic H plus. Acidic H plus. Acidic hydrogen means hydrogen connected to more electronegative atom like oxygen. Other atoms are also there, but right now we are talking about oxyacid to oxygen. Hydrogen connected to oxygen is the acidic hydrogen. Number of acidic hydrogen is the valency factor for these acids. So valency factor 1. There are 3 hydrogen, but connected to oxygen only 1. So that is your valency factor 1. H3PO3, there are 3 hydrogen, but only 2 are connected to oxygen. Only 2 acidic hydrogens are there, so valency factor 2. Third case, there are 3 acidic hydrogen. बहुत cute यार, है ना भाई. Reducing hydrogen 0. So do you have a reducing agent nature? No sir, it is not reducing agent. There is no reducing hydrogen here. Oxidation state wise also, if any person is in the highest oxidation state, na? If any person is in the highest oxidation state of his own, then that person act like an oxidizing agent. Highest oxidation state, oxidizing agent. Lowest oxidation state, reducing agent. तो भैया H3PO4 is in the highest oxidation state, he can never be reducing agent. But the other way of explanation is that there is no reducing hydrogen. That is why also it is not going to be a reducing agent. तो भैया this is phosphoric acid, 3 acidic hydrogen, valency factor maximum is 3 if it is behaving like an acid. तो भैया I think H3PO2, H3PO3, H3PO4 structures are clear. Trick is very simple. You will write one P, you will write double bond O, rest oxygen with single bond O you will attach. So once you can stop the video here, you can rewind and check if the structure these are clear to you. Now I am entering into the other varieties of oxyacid of phosphorus, some tougher ones. So now let us see the structure of these 3 people, H3P2, H4P2O7, H4P2O5 and H4P2O6. Let's check. देखो भाई, there are 2 phosphorus, write 2 phosphorus. Trick is very simple यार, you don't have to mug up any structure. ठीक है भाई, understand the trick. 2 phosphorus you will write. You very well know with phosphorus double bond O is compulsory. बढ़िया. Now here you have odd number of oxygen or even number. तो sir, this is odd number. This is also odd number and this is even number. अब simple है यार. The rule is very simple. You have to distribute the remaining oxygen equally to both the phosphorus. Problem is that odd number is there. 7 are there. तो भैया 1 given, 1 given. How many left? 5 left. Out of 7, 2 are used, 5 left. यार 5 cannot be equally distributed between 2 people. That means 1 oxygen they will have to share. So give 1 oxygen, the odd number of oxygen give in the middle. अच्छा जी, out of 7, 1, 2, 3. 3 used. How many left? 4. तो 1, 2, 3, 4. देखो equally how nicely distribution is done. Then what? Then attach hydrogen, 4 hydrogen to the single bonded oxygen first. ये लो, बहुत बढ़िया, खत्म. Done भाई. If any hydrogen left, give to the central atom, otherwise not. So भैया, this is the structure of H4P2O7. This is also known as pyrophosphoric acid. Pyrophosphoric acid, H4P2O7. Oxidation state will come as +5 only because it is ic acid as well, so +5 will come. You can find the oxidation state as well. It's very simple. देखो, when there are 2 atoms making one bond and electronegativity of one atom is more than the second atom, let us say B is more electronegative than A, then भैया B will get a -1 oxidation state, A will get a +1 for each bond. For each bond. For one bond, for example, you and I make a bond and I am more electronegative. So let's say we are making 3 bonds. Let us say we are making 3 bonds. So I will get 3 electrons. That is the oxidation state. I will imagine I am getting 3 electrons. Oxidation state is imaginary charge, not real charge. So don't relate it to the charge. Oxidation state is different, charge is different. Some other lecture I will talk about that also in detail. But right now, if you and me are making a triple bond, so I'm making 3 bonds with you and I'm more electronegative, so I will get -3 and you will get +3 if I'm more electronegative. So oxygen is more electronegative. ठीक है भाई. Then the phosphorus atom. तो phosphorus भाई साहब is making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bonds with oxygens only. You can check. double bond, 1, 5 bonds are there with the oxygen. All the 5 electrons he will lose, so plus 5 will come. That way you can do, but right now that is not our concern. Our concern is to write the structure properly and get the number of acidic hydrogens. So bhaiya, here the number of acidic hydrogens are going to be 4. Reducing hydrogens, 0. Reducing agent, no. It is not reducing agent. Going ahead, H4P2O5, try to draw it. So you will write 2 phosphorus, double bond O compulsory. है ना भाई? So odd number is there of oxygen. Oxygen odd number means 1 will be shared between the 2. Now out of 5, 3 I have used. Out of 5 oxygen, 1, 2, 3 I have used. So bhaiya 4 and 5, game over. Now what? Now attach hydrogen to oxygen first. So there are 4 hydrogens. Out of that, 1 attached here, 1 attached there, 2 attached. 2 more are to be attached. So bhaiya it will be attached to the central atom. Khatam. Equal distribution bhai. Equal distribution. Partition should be correct. Here acidic hydrogens are how many? 1, 2. 2 acidic hydrogen. Hydrogen attached to oxygen are acidic hydrogen. Reducing hydrogen how many? Sir, there are 2 reducing hydrogens. So sir, 2 reducing hydrogen. Reducing agent? Bilkul sir, 100%. There are 2 reducing hydrogens here. This bhai sahab is named as pyrophosphorus acid. Pyrophosphorus. That was phosphoric. This was phosphorus. Pyro. Next, H4P2O6, very simple. Again, you will write P2, 2 phosphorus. Double bond O compulsory. अब यार देखो, out of 6 oxygen, 2 has come as double bond O. 2 of them have come as double bond O out of 6. How many left? 4. यार 4 तो I can give ना, 2 I can give to him. 2 I can give to him. Give it. So 2 oxygen here, 2 oxygen here. Any bridging oxygen? No sir, not required. Why not required? Sir, equally 6, 6, 3, 3 given. So attach them to each other directly. There is no need of any bridging. बहुत बढ़िया. How many hydrogen? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All the hydrogen got attached here. So this also acidic hydrogens are going to be 4. Reducing hydrogens are going to be 0. So bhaiya, these are the structures of oxyacid of phosphorus. Questions on acidic hydrogens will come, reducing hydrogens will come. They can also ask you what is the reason of the reducing nature of H3PO2, H3PO3. Very important question, has come 2 times in the NEET examination, 1 time in the JEE main also recently, very recently. So make sure that you read this topic very well, fairly well. That is all from my side today. Thank you and have a nice day.